Hey guys, it's Cam. Guess what I found out? My Lego soda machine, it actually works with Skittles, but you have to crush it. Like a Skittle, put in your fingers, crush, and it'll make it skinnier. And see it? It'll have all cracks on it, but but I have some in here. See this purple Skittle, and you just take your money, push it in, push out, the Skittle will come out. Another dollar, push it in. But it only holds 2 Skittles, but whatever. Push out. Oh, sorry. I said $1. Sorry, I put it in wrong. I forgot to pull the thing back. I push in, and here it is. 2 Skittles. Works the same way. Money's located in the same thing. There you go. Little Skittle machine. So, really cool. It holds 2 Skittles. Remember, crush them. Oh, got to pull this back. See? Oh. Sorry, I was tilting it. But so, money, put it in. Push, Skill. I guess sometimes it may fall out. Like, let me push this in. But most of the time it'll work. And put the money in. Money in. Money falls in. Push, Skittle. So there we go. Just shake the money out. And there we go. Little Skittle machine. Pretty cool. Maybe the smallest on YouTube. Works really well. And it's all Blue Shiny Apple's creation. So look up Blue Shiny Apple and some soda machines will pop up. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And works very good. Very good. And yeah. Create 146 signing out. Bye.